Hey guys, we are going over quiz 1.06. This is example 2. We are going to name each of these transformations. So we look at this first one here, and we see that the points all stayed in the same place. They just slid over. And so this is a translation. I'm going to go down here. Now, the points are not quite in the same place. These two shapes look as if they're looking at each other, as in a reflection. A was on the left side, now it's on the right side. This is a reflection. All right, and our only transformation where our shapes change sides, dilation. And here we have what is a rotation. It seems like from a point here, our shapes have rotated, and now point C is over here. So this is a rotation. And that's example 2.